because I really like it. I am using this toner. I mean, how cute is this? How cute is this toner that PIXI? How cute is it that PIXI sent to me? I mean, I love you. I love you, PIXI. It says Asia. It has my name. It's pretty cool because it has my name on it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This 2-minute tip is going to be all about toners, why you should use them. If you're not using them, you might want to stay tuned. Make sure you click the like button and also make sure you click the like button if you like this video, and make sure you stay all the way to the end of the video, because if at the end of the video you love this video and you decide that you are going to start wearing toners, because I bet you're not right now.
Unless you are, then I'm just wrong. But in any case,
click that subscribe button at the end of this video. Let's just hop right into it, guys. Toners have many different benefits for you. There are a few that I can think of. If you can think of more benefits to using a toner than the ones that I am about to give you right now, then please leave them for me in the comments, because I like to know what's going to help my skin too. Number 1. Toner helps to restore your skin's pH balance. Now, when we use the water, hard water mixed with harsh soaps, our skin's pH balance gets all out of whack. But when you use a toner, it restores that pH balance to your face. Benefit number 2, it moisturizes your face. Oh, benefit number 3. I'm using all this toner because it makes me feel good. It makes my face just look good, and I really like it, and I don't know what I'm singing. It shrinks those big old pores. What are you telling me?
I'm raising my hand, Mom.
Oh, yes.
Some people might not want a pH balance is. Like me.
Look, Honor, I'm not a scientist. I can't tell you what pH balance is. All I know is that you're not supposed to be too acidic. Acid, base, you're supposed to be right in the middle. I think that there's a pH balance scale of like 0 to 14, and you're supposed to be somewhere in the middle. And if you use something that's too this way or too that way, it's going to mess your skin up and throw it out of whack. Science lesson for today. Boom! I don't know if that made any sense.
You didn't.
Well, then Google it. Toner is also useful for making sure you get all of that makeup off of your face. You might be thinking, well, after you wash your face, there's really nothing left on there, right? Because you just cleaned it. No, there's still a little bit of residue. So when you use that toner, wipe your face down. If the cotton pad comes off clean, boom, you got it. But here's the thing about using toner. I used to use a toner that I picked up from the drugstore. It had a little bit of alcohol in it. A little bit. Maybe a little bit more than a little bit. And I thought that because I have oily skin that I needed a toner that had alcohol in it. But it's quite the opposite. No. When you buy a toner, you want to find a toner that does not have alcohol inside of it, especially if you're someone with oily skin. Because if you dry your skin out, your skin is basically saying, oh, I'm dry, I need to produce more oil. So you don't want to do that to your skin. Make sure you find a toner that doesn't have any alcohol in it if you can avoid it. The toner that I like to use, of course, comes from PIXI. PIXI's toner is an exfoliating toner. It's so good on the skin. There's no alcohol in it. It doesn't dry out my skin, and it leaves me feeling refreshed. Those are the things that I think you need to know the most about toner, why I think that you should be adding it to your skincare routine. If you have not, tell me why you have not. And if the reason that you have not is because you didn't know about toners, then okay, I'll give you a pass. But now you know about them, so go out and get some toner, preferably PIXI. No, this video is not sponsored by PIXI. And then tell me how your skin looks after you use it. I'll just wait right here. If you like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button. If you really like this video, make sure that you click on that video right there, because that'll give you another video to watch. Since you like this one. Have you subscribed, y'all? It's the right thing to do.
That was